everyone, and welcome back to Gizmo Journal. Today, we will be exploring how to create exceptional vlogs from start to finish. Whether you are a beginner or aiming to enhance your vlogging skills, we have all the insights you need. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about choosing your equipment. The camera you use can make a big difference in your vlog's quality, but you don't have to break the bank to get started. Modern smartphones have incredible cameras. They're perfect for beginners and offer great portability. If you're looking for higher quality and more control over your settings, a DSLR is a fantastic choice. They offer excellent video quality and versatility. A stable shot is crucial. Whether it's a small tabletop tripod or a full-sized one, it's a must-have. For walk-around videos, GorillaPods or even cheap selfie sticks will do. Good audio can make or break your vlog. Consider an external microphone for clearer sound. Natural light is great, but having additional lighting options like ring lights can enhance your video quality, especially indoors. Next, let's discuss planning your content. Successful vlogs don't just happen. They start with a solid plan. Start by brainstorming ideas. Think about what interests you and what your audience might enjoy. Now, let's move on to some filming tips to help you capture the best footage. To stand out, find a unique angle or niche. What makes your perspective different? Whether it's your personality, a specific theme, or a unique format, having a distinctive voice is key. Finally, let's talk about editing your vlog using Filmora 13. This software is user-friendly and packed with features to help you create professional-looking videos. Click here to import your footage from your computer, and to add it to the timeline, drag and drop. Split and delete the redundant parts of the videos using the split tool. Now double-click the media and using these tools like scale and position, modify the videos. Let me teach you how to animate the videos using keyframes. That is, the diamond shapes here. Click to add a keyframe, then do the modifications, add another keyframe. Just like that, we added zoom in and zoom out animations in our vlogs. There are very useful AI tools you will find amusing, like the motion tracking feature. First, place the rectangle on the subject or object you want to track, then click to start motion track. Next, we will add a text. Use this text as the motion tracking link element. So, the text is now following the object, making your videos look interesting and professional. There are so many amazing tools in the Filmora 13 video editor. That's why the Filmora Copilot can be extremely useful. Just ask this AI assistant what you want to do. You get detailed explanation and instructions how to use the respective tools. Another AI tool in the software is AI Copywriting Tool, which can greatly help you find ideas for your vlogs, write oral scripts, and so on. Let me ask AI to help me with the video topic, vlog on daily makeup routine in the morning. So you get scenes, dialogues, chapters, all ready in seconds. Background music can elevate the mood. Using stock audio library, you can easily find the perfect music for your vlogs. Alternately, using the AI tool called AI Music, you can generate music depending on mood, theme, and genre. For outdoor shots, use these denoise tools like AI Speech Enhancement, Wind Removal, Normal Denoise, De-Reverb, Hum Removal, Hiss Removal, etc. To give your videos a cinematic look, you can try different color preset filters. There are some LUT presets you might find suitable for your vlogs. For color grading, there are professional tools like color wheels, where you can modify the highlights, midtones, and shadows. Also, try adjusting hue, saturation, and luminance. And finally, try the color curves for more advanced color grading of your footages. Finally, find interesting transition effects for your vlogs. In the title tab, there are a plethora of text animations you can apply to your videos. These preset templates are very professionally made, elevating your videos to the next level. So this is how create amazing vlogs by using basic equipment and Filmora 13 advanced features without many efforts. Thanks for watching Gizmo Journal.